Once you've created an account, you go to the Voki website, voki.com, and click Login. From here, you'll type in your email and your password. You can decide whether or not you want to click the Remember Me button. That will just remember your password on your computer, so I find that to be very useful, but that's up to you. You always have the forgot password thing here if for some reason you forget your password. So I'm going to click Login. Okay, once you're logged in, you will find throughout this website that some parts of the website are free and some of them are considered premium. We are, of course, going to stick with the free version. No one is going to be putting any money on this. So when you go in, if you see a star next to an avatar, which you will have to choose an avatar, if there's a star, that means it's a premium one, which is not free. So we're going to just try to find one that's not a paid one. So you can either scroll down here, you can go through like different categories and things, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can just roll the die and it will randomly give you one. So we're good with this one because there's no star over here. So this means that this cute dog here is free. So I'm going to go with him. He looks great. So when you're done choosing your avatar, you will have to decide which type of voice you want. So if you go, once you pick your avatar, down here at the bottom of this list, there is a little voice icon. You're going to click voice because you cannot move on until you give your avatar a voice. So you'll click voice and you can decide which type of voice you'd like. So we are actually not going to be using text. I mean, we might use that at some point. I'm not sure yet. So you can actually pick a voice. So for example, we could pick Spanish and we could do different things. So for me, maybe I would pick, I don't know, Gloria, Mexicans. And then you can type in a message, something like, Hola, me llamo Senorita. And then you'll hit play to hear what it sounds like.
Hola, me llamo Senorita.
Okay, but this is for really text. So you'll choose a voice just so that you can move on in the process of choosing an avatar. But because we're going to be doing this where you're going to be speaking, there are two options that you can choose. There is a microphone option if you want to record from your computer itself, or if you do not have that capability, then you can also call in your recording. So these are the two that we're going to be using. So the text is nice. You can use this to play around with and see what things sound like for different voices. There's a whole bunch of different voices here. But we're going to be using the microphone and the recording. So for the assignments that I will be posting in Google Classroom, it will be asking you to say certain things out loud. These are things we would normally do in class, but of course we're going to be doing this remotely. So I will still get to hear your voices, but you don't have to worry about being on video. I know that can be a little intimidating to be on video. So as you can see, the avatar follows me around. You can do it with your avatar as your picture, and then your voice will come through on either microphone or phone recording. I will, of course, be open to if you have to send me an email or you want to send me a message through Google Classroom if you're having trouble. But once I post the assignments, including involving Voki, make sure that you're using these two things. So if you pick microphone, it will give you an option to record your voice. If you choose telephone option, phone recording, it will give you a phone number to call. You'll call in and it will actually allow you to record your response through the phone, and it will always give you a unique password. So each time it will be different. Okay, I will of course be available for questions if you have any troubles, but Voki is a pretty user-friendly platform and hopefully we can have some fun with it. All right, bye.